Good morning. I am Fruity, faculty members of nursing department from RPIIT. Today we will discuss about culture. What is culture? Culture is a complex whole which includes knowledge, belief, arts, morals, custom and any other capabilities and habits acquired by the man as a member of society. Culture is a symbolic, continuous, cumulative and progressive process. The cumulative creation of man, the handwork of man and the medium through which he achieves its ends. Evolution of culture. For a century and more, archaeologists have dug up the tools, weapons, pottery, idols, coins, and other material things of people who have long since died out. It is the clues to their social life. The archaeologists do not reveal the origin of culture, they only indicate its olden days. If they reveal something about the evolution of culture, it is only about its material aspects. Evolution of culture. To trace the origin of specific cultural trait is difficult. All cultural traits, material as well as non-material, have been invented at some time and in some place by some person. No single invention contributes very much to the development of a culture. It is only an addition to what already exists. Culture is only partly new. Example: the music composer of a new song takes bits from number of previous composition. Function of a culture. Culture is the treasury of knowledge. Culture defines situation. Culture defines attitudes, values and goals. Culture decides our career. Culture provides behavior pattern. Culture molds personality. Functions of culture. Culture defines situations. Culture defines social situations for us. It is not only defined but also conditions and determines what we eat and drink, what we wear, when to laugh, weep, sleep, love, to male friends with, what work we do, what god we worship, what knowledge we rely upon, and what poetry we recite, and so on. Elements of culture: cognitive elements, beliefs, norms, and values, science, and languages. Elements of culture. In this, we will discuss about cognitive elements. Culture of all societies, whether pre-literate or literate, includes a vast amount of knowledge about the physical and social world. The possession of this knowledge is referred to as cognitive element. Even the most primitive or pre-literate people, such as the Andaman and Trobriand Islands, must know about many things in order to survive. Their knowledge is a practical knowledge and never knowledge for own sake. Knowledge relating to how to get food, how to build shelter, how to travel and transport, how to protect themselves against storm, etc. Every society has its own culture, many ideas about its own social organization and how it works. Beliefs in empirical terms are neither true nor false. Example: the Christian missionary who gave medicine to and advised the patient to take sufficient rest also utter a silent prayer for the speedy recovery of the patient. Such actions imply some kind of belief. The belief behind these actions cannot be confirmed or rejected on the basis of empirical evidence. For example, if the patient dies in spite of the efforts of shaman, he will have some explanation that will make him to stick on the belief in evil spirits. Civilized man to create similar beliefs and pass them on to the succeeding generations. Values. Anything getting importance in our daily life becomes our values. The origins of values is not biological but it is social production. While living in society, the values develop. Values depends upon the culture. Culture varies from society to society and thus values are different in every social situations. Values are what we like and what we say. Will in our society, values are the good idea and thinking of a person. Some values are hereditary, which we gain from our elders, books, and parents. The culture is full of values and can transmit from one generation to generation. When a natural object gets a meaning, it becomes a value. Elements of culture. Language: a group of words or ideas having common meaning and is shared to a social situation is called language. Language is the entrance to a culture. Language is a set of socially sound patterns, words and sentences having specific meaning and terminology common to the same culture. Language is a source of communication and to transmit message from one person to another. It is the method to mold the behavior and experience of a person. Language is the foundation of a culture and ticket to the entrance of a social life. Thank you.